All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. Firstly, eliminate all power to the fridge freezer and unplug the cable before moving it. Remove any items and glass shelves before leaning the fridge freezer over. Lean the fridge freezer against something sturdy like a wall or tabletop as shown. Lay a towel to stop any scratches and dents and ask for help if needed. With your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 3 screws as shown here, then pop these to one side. Now remove the existing lower door hinge. Don't worry if the hinge bush also comes out, simply place it back in the freezer door. With your new lower door hinge, attach it back to the freezer door, ensuring the hinge pin is pushed all the way into the hinge bush. Rescrew the 3 screws back in, ensuring they're tightly secured. Carefully tip the fridge freezer back, asking for help if needed. Then reinstall the shelves and any items that you've removed. And that's it, your new lower door hinge is all set to go.